Today unboxing is on the March Tomica release. I should have reviewed this like 3 weeks ago, but sorry for the delay because I'm in self-isolation for the past 3 weeks for obvious reason. Quite a nice assortment for last month. There's the pair of Aston Martin Vanquish Zagato with regular and first color release, a Katana motorbike which was delayed as well and will be releasing this month, and also a very interesting long Tomica which is the Japan Coast Guard Super Puma. And now let's take a closer look at the Japan Coast Guard Super Puma H225. It's a very heavy casting. I can feel it in the long box Tomica. Quite a heavy weight. Behind we can see a bio for the Super Puma in Japanese. Very heavy and very solid. The whole body is in die cast with some ABS parts. Comes along with 5 blades. The wheels at the base are also functional, which can be rolled. One thing to note, the blade doesn't propel smoothly. It's quite stiff, but it's functional. The blade at the tail propels smoothly, and the whole casting rolls perfect. This Super Puma is huge in 1:1. It comes in a scale of 1:124, and it can carry up to 19 passengers, excluding a cabin attendant and 2 crews. I don't usually collect helicopters or planes, but I'm very happy to add this Airbus H225 into my Tomica collection. Next is the Aston Martin Vanquish Zagato. First impression, the Zagato looks striking. This is one of Aston Martin top of the line range, with only I think about 99 produced. Very high end car that comes with a very high price tag. Tomica did a great job on this casting. It looks very premium as well, with a very nice paint job, very striking and very glossy. And what really amazed me is the plastic insert headlights, which is very close to the real thing. It comes with a standard racing wheels in all black, which is great. Functioning doors, including a standard factory suspension. What I really like is the front with a lot of details, including the grille. Next, the Vanquish Zagato in first color black. Really like the gunmetal finish. I assume it was a black, but it's not. The body color is less striking than the regular color in red, but still, this look very premium and very stylish. Same specification between the regular and first color. Really like the body contour. And both of these Aston Martin will no doubt looks great in diecast photography. More Tomica unboxing coming, and remember to subscribe to my new channel, Hot Customs Unboxing. You can refer to the link down below in my comment section. Thanks everyone, bye!